Hi, this is Shruti from Shru's Food Styling Vlogs. I am passionate about food styling and I regularly post on Shru's photo gallery. You can see this is the window that I am going to use as my light source, and this has been shot at early mornings. Right next in front of the window light, I'm going to place a flat surface. It can be a table, a chair, a stool, anything. So I'm going to use a chair and the light is coming in from the right side now, and we are going to use some basic materials like a white paper or a white curtain or any piece of cloth. So I'm going to place this white paper directly on my window so that any light that is coming in through the window is going through a layer of filtering, which is called as diffusion. And you can also use a cloth, like I can use this curtain. So this will act as a diffuser and prevent any direct light from falling on your subject. I have placed a small backdrop on this chair now and a ceramic plate here. Let's look at what quality of light is falling on our subject even after 2 layers of diffusion. This is shot at another time of the day where again I have not used a diffuser, but you can see the amount of light that is falling in on my subject. And this is during high noon time when there is a lot of light coming in from the window, and you can see that this has a jarring overexposed look. And again I'm going to use my diffusers, which is my piece of paper and the white cloth, to diffuse this light that is coming in. And this is going to be an experiment on what kind of effect or how the light can be filtered or manipulated over here. So this is highly overexposed, so bear with me, and you cannot see this, but I am actually pinning my paper to the window now, followed by the curtain that I have. Yeah, you're looking at a white square now, but it's basically me pinning the curtain. Oh, there it is. So now that the curtain is in place as well, let's look at what quality of light is falling on our subject even after 2 layers of diffusion. So I'm going to place my backdrop and my ceramic plate on the flat surface. You can see, you can hardly make out my backdrop, its color, which is because it's highly overexposed at this point. And here is our subject. As you can see, it is very highly overexposed, and if you click any pictures at this point, a lot of the pixels will be just lost because of exposure, and no true color or texture will be visible. So here at this point I'm going to use again a white layer which acts as a third diffuser, which will prevent any overexposed light from falling directly on my subject. And this is when you can see that the subject is well lit. So this is the kind of light that we are looking for great photography. So that's it, guys. This is my lesson on what kind of light to look for to create great photographs. I hope this has helped you, and if you have loved the content, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget to leave any comments. These will help boost my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again.